How to access your VPS via VNC in SolusVM. You can access your VPS via VNC in case of an emergency. For instance, a firewall blocks your IP, or the internet connection doesn't work, or you are unable to access your VPS via SSH, or any OS installation reasons, etc. Log into your SolusVM control panel. If there is more than one server, click to select the server you want to access. Click the VNC option and select HTML5 VNC Client SSL. We have got the access. Now you know how to access your VPS via VNC. Thank you for watching.